You guys have no idea how excited I am for today's video. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you guys my new candy selling business that I'm going to be starting during the 2019-2020 school year. With the school year right around the corner, I started thinking of some ways that I can make some extra money when school eventually does start. And I thought selling candy would be a great option for myself to earn an extra couple $100s per week. I actually sold candy a long time ago, back when I was a freshman in high school, before I even got into the whole business scene. I was really into selling things and I wanted to make some extra money because I didn't really have any other businesses going at the time. It ended up becoming a big hit in my school and I started making a lot of money selling candy. I was making upwards of $600 every single month just by selling candy. Long story short, as fast as the business went up, it went downhill pretty fast. I ended up getting caught by one of the vice principals at my school and the business was shut down. This was a very unfortunate moment in my business career because it was the first business that I ever started and it ended up being shut down because you're not really allowed to sell candy at school. But this year I thought, hey, you know what? I'm going to start up the candy business again because the vice principal who had caught me selling candy 2 years ago is now retired and away from our school. So I am going to start selling candy at my school again to try and make a quick buck. I'm going to be documenting it on this YouTube channel, so guys, be excited. I was a little skeptical about starting a candy selling series on this YouTube channel, but based on a poll on Instagram, you guys seem to be all for me starting a candy selling business and documenting it on the Financial Wolf channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this series, and for the first episode, I am going to be showing you guys the best candy to resell at school. So everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be physically going to the store and showing you guys all of the candy I used to sell my freshman year when I had a prospering candy reselling business. And I'm also going to be giving you guys some tips on what candy I suggest you get started with reselling at school and the candy I suggest you avoid reselling at your school. Alright everyone, so we are at the location where I buy my candy from. And you're probably wondering right now, where do you buy your candy from? You haven't told us yet. Well, I buy my candy from this super fancy store by the name of Walmart. I know, that might surprise you guys. You probably thought that I buy my candy from some place like Costco or Sam's Club, but no. I buy my candy from Walmart, and I do that for two reasons. Number one, with Walmart, you don't have to pay any sort of membership fee. At least for Sam's Club, I know the membership fee is $45 per year. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot of money, but you can get candy for almost just as cheap from Walmart as you can from Sam's Club, at least from the Sam's Club in my area. I went in just to look around to see if getting a membership was worth it, and I really didn't see the value. And the second reason I don't go to Sam's Club or Costco is because their locations are like 30-35 minutes away from my house, and it's really not worth the time if the candy they sell is pretty similar to what Walmart sells in my area. Sourcing your candy from Walmart is especially better for beginners because you won't have to invest a ton of money up front on a membership to a place like Costco or Sam's Club. If you're first getting started selling candy, it's likely that you do not have a lot of money to get started, especially if you're just a kid in school. I will show you guys how to get started in today's video with $20. That's right, 20 bucks, and you can literally get started selling candy at school. And I'm going to be showing you guys the exact candy that I would buy with $20 to get started. And I'm also going to be showing you guys what I used to buy when I actually had my candy business built up my freshman year of high school. So guys, be excited. I'm going to head into Walmart right now, and I'm going to be buying some stuff to show you guys later. Okay everyone, I just bought a ton of candy and I loaded it into the back seat of my car. I'm going to be going over everything that I bought, how much it cost, and also what I recommend a beginner gets in terms of candy, because I'm sure a beginner won't get as much candy as I got in this video. So everyone, I will see you as soon as I am home. Okay everyone, so I am back from buying all of the candy that I did at Walmart. I bought a lot of candy. The total was $42.11, a crazy amount of money to spend on candy, but I'm gonna probably more than double that by selling all of this candy for more money. So the first thing that I ended up buying was cosmic brownies. These were big sellers when I was a freshman in high school. Hopefully they continue to be. I bought them for a total of $1.86. There are 6 in here, so I'll probably sell them for 50 cents each, maybe $1 each, but probably 50 cents each, and hope that people buy 2 or 3 at a time. Those will probably sell out super quick. For my fruity selection of candy, I ended up getting a huge bag of Jolly Ranchers. There are 190 Jolly Ranchers in this bag. I'm going to be selling every single Jolly Rancher for 10 cents each, so it's going to be a huge profit on this massive bag of Jolly Ranchers. I bought the bag for $8.98, so I'm going to be making a really big profit on the Jolly Ranchers right there. The next thing that I bought were a big box of Airheads. There are a total of 60 Airheads in this ginormous box. I'm going to be selling each one for 25 cents, and I bought the box for $7.98. My chocolate selection of candy is as follows: a variety pack of Hershey's, Reese's, and Kit Kat. I bought this variety pack for $11.84. There are 18 in here. I'm going to sell them for $1 each. So that's a pretty good profit on the chocolate selection. And then the last thing I ended up getting was a big box of chips. I've actually never sold chips before. My freshman year in high school, I never messed with selling chips. But I was watching a YouTuber who sold candy, and his best sellers were chips. So I'm actually going to try and sell chips this year. Hopefully it goes pretty well. When I went to Walmart today, they seemed to actually not have a variety pack of Skittles and Starburst like they normally do. I used to sell those like crazy when I was a freshman in high school and my candy business was prospering, but today they didn't seem to have any variety packs of Skittles and Starburst. The variety pack looks very similar to this. There's 18 Skittles and Starburst in here, and the price of it is like 11 bucks, and you can make a huge profit selling these because they sell like crazy. Skittles and Starburst variety packs is actually what I recommend a beginner starts out with. Skittles and Starburst are a lot of people's favorite candy, and they always sold out for me immediately when I sold them at my school. I definitely recommend that a beginner in selling candy starts out with Skittles and Starburst. It's literally the best stuff to sell at a high school. So now that you guys know all of the candy that I personally am going to be reselling at school and what candy I suggest a beginner starts out with, I want to get into some candy that I suggest someone should avoid if they want to sell candy at school. So the first candy you should definitely avoid if you want to get started selling candy at school is you should avoid buying box candy to resell. The margins on this candy is just not there. They sell at stores for like 98 cents a box, and you're really not going to be able to sell a whole lot of them if you're pricing them for $2. And if you price them at $2, that's really where you're going to make a profit. So don't even mess with box candy. Stick with variety packs like this one right here. Now, moving on, the next candy I don't suggest that a beginner buys to resell is gum. A lot of kids at school already have gum, so there's really no need for them to buy it. I don't suggest selling packs of gum even though they have really high margins. They don't have a lot of demand. The last candy that I'm going to be mentioning that you shouldn't even try to resell at school is a Hershey's variety pack. I actually have personal experience trying to resell this. My freshman year when I had my candy business, I bought this Hershey's variety pack. I thought it was going to sell super quick because personally I like Hershey's candy, so I thought a lot of other people would like Hershey's candy, but I ended up getting stuck with all of the candy in that variety pack for like 2 months, and I brought it to school every single day, and I was never able to sell any of that candy. All of my other candy was selling out, and no one ever wanted Hershey's, so I ended up just selling them for like 50 cents or 75 cents to people just to get my money back from that investment. Okay, everyone, with that all being said, I think that's going to about wrap up today's video. I hope this video brought you guys a ton of value. I really hope that you guys are excited for this candy selling series. If you guys are, please be sure to drop a like and leave me a comment down below, and I will be 100% sure to get back to you guys. Thank you so much if you made it to the end, everyone. Peace out.